already seen options menu last time, and this time let us create a context menu. Context menu would be applicable to a particular view, unlike the options menu which is applicable to an activity, entire activity. A menu, what be doing is, say we will be using same menu, so that our time is not waste. Or what we can do is we can copy paste the code, new, and menu resource file, let us say name okay, colors, okay, menu, let me select whatever we do not want, I'll delete, just to make sure that we don't need to write code again and again. Grouping we do not want, so I'm removing this. And here we won't be using this app show as action option, only this two would be there. And in this case, a menu green, a menu blue, a menu pink. Here we can name green, blue, pink. As now this bar is not associated with action bar anymore, the top one need these things. Icon we can have, but as of now let us associate only a simple menu with view. Then in a main layout, what do we have? Let us see. Where is our layout file? Yes. We have one text box. Let us associate this menu with this text box. So let us find first text box, text view. I am writing down say code in the same project in which we created our options menu. And then here we'll have to do few things extra which we did not do in a options menu. First let us find out r.id. I think we are not given any ID, so we will have to give ID to this text view. The remaining thing, let it be same. Now it will be okay for it. Then what we'll have to do is we will have to register this menu, txt menu, register for context menu. So this view would be then registered for this particular menu, and here we will have to give txt. So now this our application knows that this view has a menu associated with it. Now when this menu would be opened, so we again need to override some methods. Control O, this time on create context menu. Last time we used on create options menu. This time on create context menu. And menu inflator would be same. So let us copy this, both the statements. Last time we did not use header file because 3 dots, after 3 dots we didn't require header, but you can have header also. So let us use header. So menu dot set header title. So we need a text. Select color. Now the way we, after the item is selected, what we want to do. So last time we selected on options item selected. So this time we will be having something similar, that is on context item selected. On context item selected. And same thing we need to do the way we wrote the code last time. Let us Control C, Control V. So if this item ID is equal to r dot id dot, okay, one change we need to make over here, na menu name, we want to associate color. I think we named it as a colors. Okay, here it is menu, this one menu, and here it is dot colors. And inside, okay, return will be here. If r dot id dot, we want menu blue, we want to change the color, not only toast, but we want to change the color. So what we will be doing is, let us see, we will be changing the color of a linear layout through Java. So here we need to give an ID to a linear layout, LILA. Again we'll have to find out this. See, I could have created all this and then explained you, but and that would be quite easier for me. But I'm doing in front of you, and you might have observed many times that some few errors have been arised, and I'm trying to solve in front of you itself. So you'll have a feel that yes, actual application is being designed in front of you. And here we want, because these are recorded videos, you can later on say change the speed of the video, or maybe pause in between if you feel that speed is higher, or maybe you can skip certain content on your own. So we have found out this, and then we will change the color of this lila, LILA, and where we wanted on context item selected. Why it is giving me error? Okay, it needs a direct color instead of this. Let us see colors dot, if it is this also it is not expecting. We also have one colors class. Let us, so it needs a constant value basically. Colors dot blue is there. Let us import class first. This will solve. No, we don't need this color. What mistake I was making was I was using C small, then which green, I think we gave. I do not know what kind of colors these are, but you can later on choose different colors. Pink, and experiment later. I will have to choose color like this, RGB. Let me set yellow. Later on you can change this, and let me change this yellow, and here yellow and yellow. So okay, let us now execute this. Gradle invocation finished. So our application has been successfully built. Going to launch soon. Yes. Oh, what has happened? There is some error which we will have to resolve. Let us see. मैंने ना ये एरर्स निकालने की कोशिश की है फ्रेंड्स, बट इसमें मैंने कुछ चेंजेस ऐसे मेजर किए नहीं है. व्हाट आई डिड वाज दिस कलर्स फाइल, जो colors.xml हमने बनाई थी, उसकी जगह आप चेंज color.xml बना दिए. बाकी सारी चीज़ें वही है, तो होपफुली शायद आपके यहाँ चल जाना चाहिए. अदरवाइज यू ऑल्सो मेक दिस चेंज एंड लेट अस एग्जीक्यूट दिस अगेन. आपको एक कंसेप्ट तो आप समझ में आ गया होगा कि ये जो मेन्यू है ये पूरी एक्टिविटी के लिए कॉमन नहीं है, बट ये लॉन्ग प्रेस पे ओपन होगा एक तो, और किसी व्यू के साथ बाइंड होगा. जैसे बटन के ऊपर कर सकते हो, टेक्स्ट व्यू के ऊपर कर सकते हो, इमेज के ऊपर कर सकते हो. अब हमने इस हेलो वर्ल्ड टेक्स्ट पे किया हुआ है, तो जैसे ही मैंने क्लिक किया आपने देखा ये टाइटल भी आ रहा है. देखो सिलेक्ट कलर है ना, सिलेक्ट कलर जो हमने वहाँ पे मेनू का हेडर दिया हुआ था. अब मैंने ग्रीन से कलर सिलेक्ट किया तो ये पीछे ग्रीन हो गया, ब्लू किया तो ब्लू हो गया. दैट मीन्स आइटम सिलेक्ट भी हो रहा है, उसके और उसके अंदर के साथ की जो एप्लीकेबल इफ कंडीशन जैसे ही ट्रू होती है वो फॉलो भी हो रही है. तो लॉन्ग प्रेस करना है इसके अंदर. और इसमें ये जो 3 डॉट्स वाला ये जो मैंने कल बताया था, दैट वाज ए कॉन्टेक्स्ट मेनू. सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.